One woman don't come outside though, they ask for justice. This woman they talk say her husband family don't pursue her come out from her land though. Say make she come out from the house because of say waiting. Say she no born boy pikin. I think say this kind of thing where they talk. Now inside Nigeria film now they see am. I don't know say don't they happen inside Kenya. I don't know say Kenyan people they practice this kind of thing. Up to the extent say they pursue this woman with her house so her land. Make she just come and break her house. On the crest for Kenya. Colomenta the warrior na. How person go build house, keep down. And I don't see anything destroy. Now I can't decide say, and I want destroy this kind, and I want destroy this kind of thing. All this one, I don't say they happen inside real life. This one now life and direct inside Kenya, and this one they happen. It means say women they see something for that place. So if you know born boy, in fact your matter don't cast. My people, I beg, make una follow me. Watch this video.
Mamangu hana mtu wa kuridi hapa. Penye nyumba iko aridhike na hapo.
Efforts to seek comment from the extended family proved futile. Lucy, who is a mother of 4 daughters, has been left homeless and is now asking the authorities to intervene.
Tangu mzee akufe ndio huyu babaka akaanza tutoe hivi tusongesha huko. Nikamwambia imefanya nini? Unangoja ndugu yako amekufa ndio unataka kunitoa. Sasa wanajua everybody's gone. We have no hope. Hakuna, mimi nimechoka.
Now they see what they do to 54 years old woman. Okay, you know born boy. Now make the man see us okay. As you know born now, make her go marry another woman. We go born boy. Now then these boys come gather mura, gather liver, go destroy this woman house. Now they say they scatter this woman house. They don't even break and keep her. Say okay, I beg go make her sleep for this side. They break everything to pieces. Which kind of mind some people they get like this? Where on I expect make this woman go to sleep? As I destroy this thing now. In fact, they can't even talk say, this place now the man estate. It means say Kenya people. Now if na estate now be this one, means say now they really suffer for Kenya. If this kind of thing now be estate, house where they use clay and mud build now be on our own estate. It means say the average person where they live on that bridge inside Nigeria, the person even get money die. Because I don't understand, but at least na coverage. What they make then these children go come do this kind of thing? And then these boys don't forget say, Papa come at day one place. So. Say come and they walk up and down. If themselves come marry one day, they don't even know where their own wife go born boy. If your wife no come born boy, what do you want to do? You go pursue your wife. And say this action where then these boys take. This woman even come go call the families. See what you on our children do. The family even pull mouth. They come out their mouth. Say you know consign them. Which kind of family be all this kind one? For this 24th century, where we dey? I know they believe all this kind of thing. Now God they get picking. And the way the man they produce, now the woman go born. So I don't see why they come to talk say, because boy no come outside. Wahala don't happen. I wish say government, whoever this woman won't go meet now, may they help this woman no. Because some people are just backward thinking. As people they move forward, then they move back. As they do operation forward, then their mind now another thing in day. For this 2022, make 2021 where we dey, I don't too forward. Now people still do this kind boy and girl child picking. Wahala. Now what? Kenya people on our own surprise me. On our matter even tire me. I don't know if I want to judge and for now. Now on our way there, and I go feel judging on matter by myself. I say this one, no, I can't make a bring down come for now. Making myself use now. Yeah, everything they happen inside Kenya. Not be only Nigeria they get boy picking wahala. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self go see what we dey yarn about. I will see you on for the next video.